gas furnace. So, ito yung power ng gas furnace. Kaka-power yan. Safety switch nyo. So, ito yung board blower. Heat exchanger. We're good. Let's see. So, hindi lang. Switch lang yun. Okay, hintayin natin umandar. No problem at all. Umuulan-ulan pa sa labas. Hintayin lang natin.